This isn't our first home that we bought. This was actually our third home, and this was by far the easiest experience. We had such a seamless process from looking at homes, finding our perfect dream home, and signing paperwork and closing. Everybody on the team is super friendly, super helpful, and available anytime, day or night, with questions and extra viewings of the house. Everything was just super easy. We couldn't have been happier with the process. And to top it all off, having Hauly available to move us into and out of a storage unit and from our house to our new house was extremely convenient and an extra cost that we didn't have to take on. And having all the extra available resources was just super helpful, and we couldn't be more thankful for the use of Hauly and all of the services that Prestige offered for us. We couldn't be happier with the team at Auburn Opelika Lifestyle at Prestige Properties.